A crash course in using ChatGPT today. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody, and for today, we are going to look at the quickest way you can get started in ChatGPT. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you is a clip from Max Mayer, who's a YouTuber who had a video clip called "The Bizarre Skills That Make You Rich with ChatGPT." And while there's a lot of great information there, feel free to take a look at it. What I want to focus on is this one section that he pulled out, talking about how you actually ask ChatGPT to be able to return a result. It's so on point. I wanted to share with you today. The length, please write me a 500-word essay on the topic of how do I earn more money in 2023 with a clear introduction, middle, and conclusion references. That's the structure. And then the elements of humor in the style of Mark Twain. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to share with you what happens when you put that directly into ChatGPT so you can see exactly what the results are. In this case, I made it up just a little different. I wanted to actually have a 500-word essay on the topic, how do I use ChatGPT to make money in 2023 with a clear introduction, middle, and conclusion, references, and elements of humor in the style of Stephen Covey. Let's see what it comes back with. And what you can see is it immediately starts thinking and processing all the content that it wants to share. And then what it's going to start doing is writing it out in real time. So as you can see, this is going through and actually responding to everything we just asked it. It's telling you a little bit about what it is. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology developed by OpenAI, designed to improve human-like text-based communication, a language model. ChatGPT has been in the ability to understand natural language and generate human-like text and response. With the increasing popularity of chatbots, the demand is also growing. In this essay, we'll show you how to make money in 2023. So you can see it did the introduction, now it's doing the middle. So you're talking about chatbot development, content creation, customer service, marketing and sales, predictive maintenance, fraud detection. So what's beautiful about this is that it's going through everything that I just asked it to do in real time, and it's providing all of the feedback that I would want. Now, what's amazing about this is if I don't like it, I can actually at any point I can hit stop generating, or what I can do is I can have it refresh and I can make a different query. So as long as I'm adjusting what it is that I'm asking, I can make a different request, and it's going to share with me something that is going to tweak the content that I'm using. And of course, you know, it's now using the elements of Stephen Covey. We're pulling in quotes. You know, it's you can see it's pretty mind-blowing. The references, it's showing where it got the information. It's giving you the link. So if you want to go and look at more information on this, it gives you a place to start. I mean, just take a moment. Isn't this incredible? All of this is happening in real time as I'm sharing with you. And this is the free version, right? Do you ever start to think about like what this is behind the paywall? But the point is, regardless, you can start using this stuff right now. You don't need to wait. You can start playing with it. You can start just getting on. It's just the URL chat.openai.com, and it'll set you up with an account, and away you go. So wasn't that really cool? So this is the crash course. I just want you to be able to start playing. The content itself is not irrelevant to this conversation. It's really about you put in the right query strings, and then you get the information that you want. And that's all you need to do. You can get started today. I played with this on LinkedIn. It became a hugely popular article. And what I did is I put in italics what came back to show what was on demonstrating how this actually worked. And what was beautiful is someone actually wrote back in the comments and they said, awesome, I used the same technology to put the comment to your article. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. I just hope you can get into this, because once you start playing, you'll start to get really excited about all the different possibilities you can have with artificial intelligence.